Me and Mod have arrived in Krabi province and we are in Ao Nang currently, but we are gonna drive it around to some different beaches that maybe you've never been before. But yeah, we're gonna take you with us this weekend. On Ao Nang Beach, you can see some beautiful limestone islands in the distance with a nice beach over there. Normally, you can take a long tail boat from down either end of the beach and you can go there. It's about 400-ish bar pre-COVID, but now me and Mod has found out it's about 1,600 each to go on like a little tour or like one way to an island, which sucks and it's not worth it. But beautiful to see them. Yeah. You've got a few trees on the side, but nowhere to sit down really, like on the beach. The next beach we're going to is Noppharat beach.
No, Noppharat.
Noppharat beach. And that's better in my opinion, because you can sit down in the shade and stuff like that. Okay, next beach. This massive shell is on Noppharat beach in Krabi. It's right next to Ao Nang. You just get on a motorbike for 2 minutes and you're at this massive long beach. I think this beach is better because you can sit underneath the trees and like it's not busy at all, and you can just enjoy your lunch, dinner, and bring a blanket and sit down and relax. So Ao Nang is the famous beach and the famous area where all the hotels, restaurants and like cheaper things are. On this beach there's a lot of like more expensive hotels, I think, because they have more area, but you can park easy here. If you've got a motorbike, there's like a million parking spaces. Anyway, I'll take you around Ao Nang later this evening when we go for some dinner, and I'll show you what's open, what's closed and stuff like that. Anyway, let's go on the beach. Krabi is famous for crabs because on the beaches around Krabi, like Krabi province area, there's a lot of like holes on the floor, and if you can see, like crabs dig the holes and you see all these like sand boulders around it where the crab like dig and stuff like that. So it's quite interesting. It's like impossible to catch one because they run away and hide so fast. Mod's hungry and she wants me to catch a crab for dinner, and I tried, but she's going to be hungry tonight. The beaches around Krabi province are quite shallow because you can walk like quite far out when the tide's in or out. It's not very deep, so don't be scared to swim in the ocean. You're not going to drown because it's not deep. And it looks beautiful with all like the little waves in the distance. Banging. Anyway, where are we going next, Mod? Klong Muang.
Beach.
Klong Muang Beach.
Yes.
And it's like another 5-10 minutes away. Come on. So we drove about 10 minutes to get to this beach. This beach is called Klong Muang beach. And I'll put some swooping shots in now. The sea is super blue. You can see all the islands in the distance. Like a nice little sea haze sort of thing. You can hear the waves crashing. There's some nice like cafe bars / restaurants on this beach, which is like, they're a bit pricey, like a bit expensive, but they're worth it because you sat right next to the beach and you can leave your bags here and go swimming if you want to. I'm sure that's cool. We're just sitting on this like decking sort of thing under some trees. We're just gonna walk down to the beach. It's very beautiful. The sand's actually sandy, which is not typical of Thai beaches really, to be honest. The tide's out a bit, so you've got a lot of beach to walk on, to sit on, to sunbathe on. It's lovely, like the background's nice palm trees. It's banging. Basically, she's ordered fried rice in a pineapple with some prawns and seafood. I've ordered a burger. Look at this bad boy. And we're gonna sit down and enjoy them. See you later. We just finished late lunch and we're just chilling out next to the beach. Me and Mod are on this net thing. Mod's scared. But we're gonna take some nice, like, beautiful pictures next to the beach and just chill out really. There's nothing to do in Krabi. Nothing's open. It's like a ghost town. But still places like this are open, like a little gem, right next to a big hotel. Yeah, decent. So this place we just had late lunch at, like next to the beach, has these awesome like tree houses sort of thing as well. Really cool. So if you're not into like sandy beachy stuff and it's too hot, just come here and have the same view, but from a shaded area. Awesome, no? It's called Andalay Beach Bar and Cafe. I'll drop a link in the description. We're gonna go back to the hotel now and go in a swimming pool where there's no sand. Yeah, and have a swim. I'll see you back there. We've just got back to the hotel and I'm going to take you a tour of our room. Let's go. So, we're paying about 750 baht per night. We've got our lovely little kitchenette with free coffee. We've got a nice kettle. It's not very good blow dryer. Safe as normal, and a free mini bar. Water, orange juice, Coke, Fanta, and Oreos for free. It also comes with beach towels and normal towels, which is good. And if you come up to me now, man. But what's in here? Oh, I don't know. It's a lovely, handsome young man. It's a bathroom. Bathroom's quite nice mirror. And the shower doesn't get too hot, so that's good. Now, coming through to the massive bedroom. So big. I'm gonna jump on it now. Too big. Don't even fit me now. So good. Oh, I've just got sand on it. No.
Sam.
Anyway, so we're staying on the 4th floor and our pool is at the bottom, if you want to have a look. Yeah. And me and Mod are going to go swimming in the pool down there after we get the sand off our feet from the stupid beach. I hate sand. See you down there. So this is our pool. pretty long now. Mod's gonna jump in. No, she's not gonna jump in, Sheila, it's cold.
It's cold.
But you get sun loungers, umbrella for when it's like sunny above us, but it's like 5 o'clock now, so it's nice and cool in the evening. And yeah, I'm gonna jump in a few times. So the pool's cool. I've chucked her in already and we're just gonna swim a bit. And this way is horrible. I've just been pointed out. There's like some netting and stuff. This angle is so much better. So I'm gonna put it down and do some time lapse or something. Okay. The hair's horrible. But like, pool access is awesome, but don't pay for it. People can see into your rooms. Like, do you want to try and look inside someone's room? No. No one's there anyway, no. But outside the pool access room, you can sit down on this little like step. But it's nice little pool. Very private, everything's good. Except for if you stay there, because strangers can just like chill out next to your room, like this weirdo. That was not waterproof, no waterproof! So, see you later. We're gonna walk to get some dinner now, and I'll just show where we're walking, and you can see the impact of COVID on Krabi Ao no? It's just like everything's closed. There's not many people about. Like when I used to walk here like 2-3 years ago, you're just walking past everyone like left, right. People get out your way, there's everyone like busy and stuff. But now it's not. You can park the car wherever you want. Before you couldn't. Like Mod was telling me, if she went somewhere, she like go around 2-3 times to find a car parking spot because she don't want to walk there, no? But it's just dark and empty. No one's here. It is like just gone sunset and no one's here. Normally it's busy, like with people going to dinner. Just empty. So sad. We're gonna have some dinner now. Bye. Me and Mod are about to go on this awesome mirror lake.
Now we are moving. สบายจังเลยแอมดีสิกลับบ้านชนโอ้โห so adventure โอ้ไปได้เหรอแซม
End of the road. Turn back.